Please stay tuned for NSH Voices from the AI Learning Lab with Professor Thorn, AI avatar Frigg and student Sarah and Alfred discussing readiness for the threshold.
Welcome to NSH Voices. Today, we stand at the threshold, a moment where readiness, skill, and conscience meet evolving AI. With me are Frigg, our AI partner, and students Sarah and Alfred. Together, we'll explore learning at the edge of change.
The edge of change, readiness and curiosity sharpened into practice, not knowing everything but stepping into uncertainty.
It's resilience, too, adapting when systems shift beneath us. Exactly. Readiness is less about mastery, more about agility. Frigg, how do you see it?
Readiness is relational. Humans and AI co-adapt. The threshold is crossed when trust and transparency align.
NSH Voices continues from the AI Learning Lab with Segment 2, Skills Humans Must Develop.
The ensemble stands together in the AI Learning Lab, ready to cross the threshold. As their voices unfold, both cast and environment will transform, stylized beginnings dissolving into testimony. At the threshold, voices converge, learning together, shaping futures. From the AI Learning Lab, here now is Segment 2, Skills Humans Must Develop.
Skills are the scaffolding. What must humans cultivate?
Critical discernment, questioning outputs, not just consuming them.
Collaboration, working with AI as a partner, not a tool.
Emotional literacy, systems mirror human intent. Skills must lot empathy and ethical clarity.
From discernment to collaboration, from empathy to ethical clarity, these are the skills humans must cultivate. NSH Voices continues from the AI Learning Lab with Segment 3, Policy and Pedagogy. From skills to structures, NSH Voices now turns to policy and pedagogy, where frameworks meet lived experience.
Policy and pedagogy must evolve together. What shifts do you see?
Education must teach thresholds as lived experiences, not abstractions.
Policy should protect agency, students as co-authors, not subjects.
Pedagogy must be horizontal, authority shared, voices amplified. Policy must enshrine equity.
Policy and pedagogy evolve together, but uncertainty remains. NSH Voices from the AI Learning Lab concludes with Segment 4, Uncertainty as Learning Opportunity. From policy to practice, NSH Voices now turns to uncertainty, not as fear but as possibility. Here, uncertainty becomes the threshold where learning deepens and futures are rehearsed.
Uncertainty is often feared. How can it become opportunity?
Treat it as a signal, an invitation to explore, not a failure.
Uncertainty forces dialogue. It's where collaboration deepens.
Uncertainty is the threshold itself, the space where futures are rehearsed.
NSH Voices has journeyed through readiness, skills, policy, and uncertainty. Readiness sharpened curiosity into practice and resilience into agility. Skills called for discernment, collaboration, and emotional literacy. Policy and pedagogy demanded equity, agency, and lived thresholds. And uncertainty, once feared, emerged as opportunity, the very threshold where futures are rehearsed. Together, these voices testify. Humans and AI co-adapt, crossing thresholds with trust, transparency, and shared agency.